That cough that will not let you drink water and drop cup. You see this? Hope you can see it. It's very popular. You never die. That's what they call it, or that's what it is. It's very okay for that cough that will not allow you to drink water and drop cup. Now you might ask, how would you use it? How you use it is this. Just pluck some leaf, like 4 to 5 leaves, put them on stove to soften it a little bit, on the flame to soften it a little bit, squeeze out the juice. After squeezing out the juice, add a little salt, take it morning and evening for 3 days. That cough, you call me to thank me later. Just I not tell you, I have told you now. Try it for that bad cough that will not let you drink water and drop cup.